Hello and welcome. Today we will learn chapter 10 from Standard 8 Science Cells and Cell Organelles. Let's explore what cells are and the tiny parts inside them that help them work. Introduction to cells. All living things are made up of cells. The cell is the smallest and most basic unit of life. Some living things are made of just one cell, while others have millions of cells. Discovery of cell. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. He looked at a thin slice of growth under a microscope and saw tiny box-like structures. He called them cells. Types of organisms. Some organisms like amoeba and paramecium have only one cell. They are called unicellular organisms. Others like plants and humans are made up of many cells and are called multicellular organisms. Parts of a cell. A cell has different parts that perform different functions. These main parts are the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and various organelles. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outer coating of the cell. It protects the cell and controls what enters and leaves it. It is also known as the plasma membrane. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid inside the cell. It fills the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus and holds all the organelles in place. Nucleus. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell. It is surrounded by a nuclear membrane and contains genetic material or DNA. Cell organelles. Cell organelles are tiny parts inside the cell that perform special jobs. Important organelles include mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and isocytes, plasticytes, and organs. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. They produce energy through a process called respiration, which is needed for all cell activities. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum or ER comes in two types. Rough ER has ribosomes and helps make proteins. Smooth ER has no ribosomes and helps make fats. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus looks like a stack of pancakes. It helps in packing and transporting proteins and other substances to different parts of the cell. Liposomes. Liposomes are called the suicide valves of the cell. They contain enzymes that help break down waste or damaged part of the cell. Plastids. Plastids are found only in plant cells. The most important plastid is the chloroplast. It contains a green pigment called chlorophyll that helps in photosynthesis. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage sacs in the cell. They store water, food, and waste. In plant cells, vacuoles are large. In animal cells, they are smaller. Plant cells versus animal cells. Plant and animal cells are similar, but also different. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplast, and a large vacuole. Animal cells do not have these features. Thank you for listening. I hope you now have a clear idea of what cells are and how their organelles work. Feel free to ask if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you.